Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be having fried rice, and these are my ingredients I'll be using for my fried rice. Here I have some cups of rice. I have vegetables I'll be using for fried rice. I have in here green beans, carrots, spring onion, and leek. Here I have my green pepper, that big ball pepper chopped. This is my chili pepper as well. I'll be using it to parboil my rice. And in here I have some vegetable oil. I have about 2 spoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, thyme, and my Maggi cube I'll be using for my fried rice. I have chicken water. I'll be using for my fried rice. And here is my butter, my cooking butter that I'll be using for my fried rice. Keep watching as we prepare our fried rice. To fry our vegetables we'll be using for our fried rice. Here I have 2 cooking spoons of vegetable oil. I'll be adding my vegetables I'll be using for my fried rice. Just be watching me as I'm going to prepare my fried rice. What I'm frying right now is my leek, spring onion, green peas, carrots that I'm frying. I'll be adding half teaspoon of my curry powder in it. I'm adding my curry powder. Little time. While my vegetable is still on the fire, I have to wash my rice. And put it on the fire too. Just keep watching as I'm preparing my fried rice. I'm ready to wash my rice. You can see I had a little salt to it to bring out the starch inside of it. I'll be adding my green pepper. Your green pepper should come last because it's a little bit soft after cooking it. So you want it to be that soft. Trying to cook my rice. So I'll be adding my chicken water. I'll be adding my chili pepper, my chopped chili pepper. Putting just little groundnut oil to it. My curry powder, my thyme, my cube, all will be going in there. Adding double water. I'll be adding my rice. there. I'll be leaving it for like 10 minutes to cook. You see, my rice is ready. I'll be adding my fried vegetable to it. It's time to add my fried vegetable. Done. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. My fried rice is ready and about to be served. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you next week.